Okay guys, in this episode I'm going to show you another type of pressure safety valve which is much simpler, and the connection is MPT or threaded one. Exceptionally, the inlet and outlet of this valve are the same size, which are 2 inches. It is made from brass material, and this is the lever that I've just talked in previous episode. I can move the plug a little by pulling the lever upward. You will see the status change from another view later. These valves are usually used for the cases where the pressure is very low or do not have special sensitivities, such as oil and gas projects. These pressure safety valves can be used in water cases, boilers, and where there is no high pressure and where the threaded connection is possible. As you can see, the lever is located here. Like all the pressure safety valves, please pay attention to this matter. The level I'm talking about is a completely optional case. I mean, do not think that all pressure safety valves must have these levers. The upper part, this part is the cap, and this part is the bonnet, and the lower part is the body of pressure safety valve. The fluid enters from this part and exits from that part. Let's look at it from a closer perspective and see the inner part together once more. You can see the inner part of a safety valve again. The 2-inch connection is quite clear. The lower part is the seat, this part. There's a Teflon mode here, which makes the soft seat to some extent somehow. As you can see, this part is a plug, and that part is spindle, which is quite clear from this view. When draining, the plug moves upward. Due to the upward movement of the plug, the fluid is allowed to flow out from this part, and when the pressure is low and reaches, it's gonna be reset, and it's less than a set point value, the plug is placed on the seat again and completely cuts off the fluid connection from the bottom to this side.